Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long. No matter what I say or do, I'll still feel you here till the moment I'm gone. You hold me without touch, keep me without chains. I never wanted anything so much than to drown in your love and not feel your way. Set me free, leave me be. I don't want to fall another moment into your gravity. Supposed to be, but you're wrong to me and all over me. You hold me 'cause I'm fragile when I thought that I was strong, but you touched me for a little while and all my strength is gone. Set me free, leave me be. I don't want to fall another moment into your gravity. Here I am and I stand so tall, just the way I'm supposed to be. You're wrong to me. Everything I think I need here on the ground, but you're neither friend nor foe, though I can't seem to let you go. The one thing that I still know is that you're keeping me down. Keeping me down. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. You're onto me, no over. Something always brings me back to you. It never takes too long.